Starting off, we're inside the Next.js file. This is where we can define custom server-side environment variables for our Next.js application. Right here we're creating a variable named custom_var. Notice that it's assigned the value from process env, custom_var. This means that when our server-side code runs, it will have access to this variable. Now, if we want our environment variable to be accessible in the browser, that is, on the client side, we have to prefix the variable's name with next_public_. In this snippet, we've named our variable next_public_API_URL. By doing this, Next.js knows that this variable can be sent to the client and used in browser code. In this scene, we're in a functional component of our Next.js app. We're using JSX to create a div, and inside it, we're accessing the next_public_API_URL environment variable. Just like any JavaScript variable, we use it within curly braces. Note how the next_public_ prefix is necessary here. This is what makes it available in the browser and consequently, to our components.